Hello, my name is Devin McKenzie, the Market Analyst at Aluma Capital, and I'll be taking you through this week's CFD trading ideas for the 26th to 29th of September 2017. These trading ideas are a valuable resource to the active trader seeking to add additional positions to his or her current portfolio. In the week ahead, the price action of the CFDs presented here may or may not be desirable to initiate high probability trades. This will depend on underlying market forces. The CFDs presented here should be carefully monitored so that trades can be initiated as soon as the desirable price action plays out. This week, there are 8 trading ideas, and these include a possible long trade in Anglo-American. Here we'll look to buy the stock if it trades down towards the area of support offered by the 50 and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement levels. So if it trades down to the region between 230 and 225 Rand and begins to reverse up, we'll look to buy the stock, set our take profit at 241 Rand and set our stop loss below the reversal low. There's a possible long trade in Aspen. The stock broke out of a trading channel in the week before last, and the upper boundary of that channel will now offer support on any move down from current levels. So we'll monitor to see if it trades down towards the region between 295 Rand and 294 Rand, and if it begins to reverse up from there, we'll look to buy it for a move up to the region between 305 Rand and 310 Rand, placing our stop loss below the reversal low. There's also a possible short trade in Famous Brands. The stock has begun to reverse down from the top of the channel it's been trading in, and if it continues to trade down below 117 Rand, then we'll look to short it for a move down to the region between 112 Rand and 110 Rand. There's a possible long trade in FirstRand Bank. Here the stock is trading in a support zone, and if it's able to reverse up from current levels, which is 53 Rand 50 cents, then we'll look to buy it for a move up to 56 Rand 50 cents. There's a possible long trade in Richmond. The stock has been trading upwards, and the uptrend will provide solid support around the 115 Rand level. So if the stock begins to reverse up from 115 Rand, then we'll look to buy it for a move up towards 121 Rand and 123 Rand, the region between these two levels. There's also a possible long trade in PSG. The stock has been consolidating over the last 2 weeks, but if it's able to break above 240 Rand 20 cents, that suggests that the momentum is shifting upwards, and we'd look to buy it for a move up towards 252 Rand and 254 Rand, the region between those once again. There's also a possible long trade in Vodacom. Here we'll look to buy the stock at the 161 Rand 60 cents level, and then we'll look to set our take profit in the region between 167 Rand 50 and 170 Rand. Finally, there's also a possible short trade in Woolworths. The price action has been forming a broadening pattern over the last 2 weeks, and the stock remains weak, so we'll prefer to short it, and we'll look to short it if it trades up towards the upper boundary of this pattern in the region between 61 Rand 50 and 62 Rand, and if it begins to reverse down from there, then we'll look to short it for a move down towards 58 Rand 50 and 58 Rand, the region between once again. Those are your trade ideas for this week. Please monitor these stocks closely, and always remember to use protective stop losses to manage your risk.